So I'm just briefly going to go over how to use these two charts. One of them's for anions and one of them's for cations. So how to identify ions in solution based on colors, precipitates, etc. So here we have our unknown solution. We're going to do the cation first. And then what we're going to do is we have a little bit of sodium hydroxide. And yet you can see there is no precipitate, so we don't go down that line. There was no gas given off either, so we don't go down that line, so we're going down this line. So quite a little bit dull there. There's just nothing, no precipitate. So we go straight to the flame test, and the flame test is a very nice orange color. And so it must be a sodium ion present. So we're doing another cation again. This time when we add the sodium hydroxide, it does actually give a precipitate. So we're not going, there's no gas and nothing happened. Nothing happened. And so precipitate here, it doesn't redissolve. You can see you just keep on adding more and more sodium hydroxide. So I'll show you that in a second, the redissolving one. And it is a blue color, so we know straight away it's copper. It's not non-colored, it's colored. So we didn't really need to do the flame test to get a green flame. It's not actually in here at all anyway. But there you go, there's the green flame as well. So just so you know what to look for when redissolving, I just grabbed some zinc salt solution here and added the sodium hydroxide to get the precipitate, because this one is zinc, so we know it goes down this line. So this is here adding more sodium hydroxide solution, and you can give it like a flick so it spins at the bottom. So you flick the bottom of the test tube to give it a little bit of a spin, and there you go, the precipitate redissolves. And that's just to illustrate how to do it and what to look for the redissolving steps. Moving on to the anion chart now. So now we're going to look at chloride. So we add dilute nitric acid to the solution, and no gas is given off. So we're not going down this line. We're going down this one here. So we divide it into two portions, and the first portion we add barium chloride to it, and we see that there is no precipitate, so we don't get a sulfate. We haven't succeeded in that. And so the other one we add silver nitrate to, and so when we add the silver nitrate to it, there is a precipitate, and the precipitate is a nice white color, so it is chloride ion. Some groups got a much stronger reaction, a nice clearer white, than the one we just saw just then. So the last one we're going to do is the carbonate ion. Just have a careful look when you add it, the nitric acid to the unknown solution. You can just see a little bit of the gas come off just as you add it, and so it's not no gas come off. You'll have to trust me that there's no smell to it. Now, the litmus, we don't have blue or red litmus paper. We do have universal indicator, and it is going blue, which is a carbonate, which is forms a weak base. So sorry about that one. All right, it seems it's a bit pointless anyway because both lines have it. And finally, we don't really get enough carbon dioxide gas to make the lime water go milky. And so that is not highly successful, unfortunately, but it doesn't have a smell to it. And so we're just going down this line. Okay, so hopefully you've got enough skills now to be able to work out all the different anions and cations of all the unknown solutions.